Hey all, hey, Amanda here, and you may have noticed that I haven't posted on YouTube or Instagram in a few days. It's been kind of silent, and that is because COVID finally caught up and got me in Austin. So it has been, actually it hasn't been that bad, to be honest, for us. For me, it's been all like kind of allergy sinusy feeling. And at first I thought it was just allergies, because I kind of have a little bit of a reaction every year to getting allergies, so that's why I thought it was. But that's why I haven't been posting much. But oh, and that's also why there probably won't be a weekly vlog this upcoming week, because there's just really nothing to post. I'm sure I sound a little funny. My face feels swollen. But for me, it's really just been a lot of, I mean, snot. That's not a cute word to say, but it's been a lot of snot. So like I literally just had to walk around the house with tissue up my nose because it's just a waterfall. But otherwise it hasn't been too terrible, aside from that like causing me to not be able to sleep well. So I've been tired and I've been boogery, and because I've been blowing my nose so much, my skin is very raw. But I'm finally like to the point where I'm not having a runny nose so often that I can actually sit and film a video. So I am here to film for you guys the May Kinder Beauty Box unboxing. It finally got to me. It got to me like 2 days ago, I think-ish, something like that. And let's go ahead and take a look at what came in the box. So I ended up getting the Brighten box, and there are 5 items in here. And I think I mentioned this in one of my weekly vlogs, but I actually for this month I didn't pick one of the boxes. So it was like a Brighten and a, I don't know, some other B word, Blossom or something like that. And I didn't end up picking one this month because I was like, well, they're so similar, I don't really see much of a difference between them. I'm just gonna let them send whatever they sent. And I wonder if that is what caused the issue with me getting the April box but not getting the May box, and ending up with those 2 random like welcome boxes that I ended up with. That was such a strange happening, but just a thought. I don't know, maybe that's what happened. Kinder wasn't able to tell me like what happened in the fulfillment process that caused that, but yeah, that was just my own thought. So let's go ahead and look at the 5 products that came in here. So the first one I've grabbed is the Able Skincare London 2-in-1 Glycolic Blue Light Exfoliating and Illuminating Duo Moisturizer. So this is a $107 value. That is a crazy value for this box. That is pretty impressive. Now whether the products in the ingredient are actually worth that, whole other can of worms, but that is a really big price value. And the description says, we all know how damaging sunlight can be, but so can blue light from digital devices. This illuminating 2-in-1 moisturizer will keep your skin hydrated, exfoliated with AHA, and protected against blue light. Beauty tip, use daily or a few times a week for sensitive skin, and remember to avoid layering exfoliants in your routine. Interesting that you have to avoid that. Huh. Well, I'm going to go ahead and read the ingredients and we'll see if it's something I'm interested in. Okay, immediately off the bat, I'm not interested in this product. It is a fairly long ingredient list, and perfume fragrance is in the first like 4th of the ingredients list. I've never seen fragrance that high on an ingredient list. And then of course further down there's other things. There's like citrus lemon fruit extract and stuff like that. I'm just gonna avoid this one because with perfume being that high, this to me seems like not a good idea to put on your face. So that's so weird. Huh. I'm so baffled by that. This expensive product having so much fragrance in it. Very strange. The next item is from All Good, and this is the Lavender hand sanitizer. So that couldn't come at a better time, right? With all of our germs. So let me read you the description. It's a $4 value. This fast evaporating spray will be the first line of defense for your hands. Using non-irritating ingredients, the spray kills germs, moisturizes skin, and leaves you with a soothing lavender scent and no need to rinse off like other sanitizers. So very timely. Definitely will end up using that. So the next item is Pure by Mud Mask. This is the Saved by the Scrub for underarms. Very interesting. I am using another Mud Masky product right now. It's their like hair mask and shampoo and scalp treatment. I don't know, a million things all in one. And I will say I'm liking it as a hair mask. I don't know if it's doing scalp stuff because I don't have scalp issues. It's not really the greatest shampoo, but it is a lovely hair mask. So I've been enjoying that actually. I just wanted to mention that. I don't know if that came in one of my boxes or if that came in the... What is that seasonal one I got? My brain is just in a fog. What is the seasonal one? All True? Is that what it's... Yeah, I think that's what it's called. So this is an underarm scrub, which I find incredibly interesting, and I'm very, very curious to use. I have very stinky underarms, so anything underarm related I'm always fascinated by. So very excited to use that. Let's read about it. It's a $29 value. Tank tops and swimsuits are coming, so now's the time to get your pits in tip-top shape. This balancing scrub cleanses, brightens, neutralizes odor for this oft neglected yet sensitive area of skin. Beauty tips: apply to damp skin and gently scrub using circular motions before rinsing with lukewarm water. I'm kind of excited about this. I'm very, very curious to see what that'll do. So the next product in here is from Loba, Maine. It's Color Vibrant Transformative Mask. Color lock and intensive repair. Perfect. Can we talk about how timely that is too with my pink hair? Can you see how much my roots have grown already? My hair's growing so fast. I'm like blown away by it. But let's read this description. This is a $12 value. And the description is, as those sun rays get stronger, give your hair the protection it deserves with this sweet smelling hair mask that strengthens, protects from UV rays, adds radiance, and prolongs color treatment. Beauty tip: for thin hair, leave on for 3 minutes. For medium hair, leave on for 5 to 7. And for thick hair, leave on for 10. So I'm very excited about this too, because hair masks are obviously what I have been living on after I bleached the living crap out of my hair to get it pink. So that's very exciting. So far, even though this is like so expensive, so it's a huge disappointment, the other 3 products are absolutely things I'm interested in. Now the last product I'm not interested in whatsoever. This is from J&L Naturals, and it's a Konjac Sponge. It's a green tea one, so I guess it's scented. Yeah, it's made with green tea powder. So I'm just not into these kind of sponges. I tried. I've used one before. I've used one again. And I just can't get into them. I'm not about it. But let me read you the description. It's a $7.99 value. Made from natural, biodegradable konjac root rather. This gentle green tea sponge sloughs away dead skin and fights acne to reveal a radiant glow. Beauty tip: submerge in water and squeeze out, don't wring, before applying in light circular motions. Use with or without your favorite cleanser. The choice is yours. So I'll probably end up getting rid of this or giving it away. I'm just not a fan of the Konjac sponges. They're not my fave. I know some people love them. I just can't get into it. I don't think they're a terrible product. They're just not for me. So overall, this is highly disappointing with that fragrance so high up on the ingredient list. Very disappointed in this. But this is not that expensive, so I'm not wildly disappointed by that. But these 3 products I'm actually pretty jazzed to try and are quite timely. So I feel like I really need to weigh how much this costs in relation to everything else when grading this. I've got to give it like a B. Even though I like 3 out of the 5 products, the value on this, or at least the retail value on it, whatever it actually costs to make, is a whole different box of worms. Can of worms? Whatever the thing is. But it's gonna ding this down a few grades. So yeah, B, B minus. That's how I'm feeling about this one overall. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I haven't been posting on here in YouTube and Instagram rather, but I did put out a couple of new blog posts, so be sure to check out Amandaphenomenon.com. It is linked down below. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!